Day 62 of Learning Robotics. Robotic Arm Part 3. While working on the base on day 61, the wiring was a mess, as you can see. So I decided to redo it. As you can see here, one of the wires even came unsoldered. Here's how I rewired it all. I started by taking a black and red wire and exposing part of the wire. I attached the potentiometers to the faceplate before adding the wires. It held it in place. As I did on day 61, I connected each potentiometer together. I then attached the ground wire to each potentiometer. After that, I attached wires to 6 header pins. After that, I added the Arduino to the base and bent the wires to place them where the potentiometers would be. I then removed it and soldered it to each potentiometer. I took 6 more header pins and added 6 more wires. I split them apart so they'd fit appropriately on the Arduino. I again put the Arduino in place and bent these wires to fit better for the servos. I forgot to film it, but I added header pins to the other end. I can now start assembly. I'll add the servo pins to the PWM pins and fit that inside the base. Here's how the wiring looks now. It's a lot cleaner. I can now add the power supply and the potentiometers to the base. I'll add the power wires to the Arduino and plug in the potentiometers to the analog pins. I'll now fit on the faceplate. I can now attach the faceplate. I'll attach the servo to the correct pins. I'll fasten the power supply with some tape. I didn't go over the code on day 61, so here it is. I'll include the servo library and create my pin constants. I'll then add the needed variables. I'll create an instance for the base servo and attach the pin. I'll set my pin mode as well. I can now read from the potentiometer, map that to the base rotation, and write that to the servo.